Hello everyone.
Hello.
Today I am comes to our doctor Sonam Sherpasan. He is well qualified person. He also conduct his qualification with MBBS degree before 10 years. He have 10 years experience in medical field. So today we will discuss about how to work execute in construction project because hospitality facility is something different but inside the construction project medical field is बहुत too much important work during construction activities. So welcome our Sonam Sherpa sir.
Thank you. Thank you for approaching me, Suman sir.
Kindly share your experience.
I passed my MBBS in 2003, 2008, and then I worked as a doctor physician in Nepal for more than 12 years, and right now I'm here working in this hotel engineering construction for almost 3 years. Thank you.
Okay, now question is first of all in construction project
Yes.
different type of diseases and medical related issues comes from site
Yeah.
or working locations. How to execute this?
So we have very limited facilities here. Uh, with all those limited facility, we have to work in such a pressure. So we have to be ready every time, and those to execute our this approach, what like to execute everything else. We have a team of medical team of three, 4 and 5 person here, and we just have a cooperation with our safety team also here, and with this limited resources, we execute it with a very legal way and with a very professional way.
Okay. Next question is this in construction project awareness. How to aware our worker for health wellness?
Uh, Thank you for question, Suman sir. It's very difficult to have the awareness program here because of changing employer here, because they change in every 6 months and 1 years like that. So, but there is a possibility of doing such a program here, and this our safety team, which includes your teams, are actually doing a lot of great work to give such information regarding safety and all those security issues. But we are also, our medical team also responsible for everything else. We are doing our best to conduct and to have a cooperation with you in this part. Uh, that's that's a teamwork actually.
Yeah.
We should do teamwork in that case.
Okay. Bilkul. Surely all the team work are working in construction project. That is motto of zero harm.
Sure.
Zero harm for our project. Actually, motto is our that health wellness. Health wellness means all these team members, even that up to GM, up to low to working
This
team.
includes all the team
All
members.
these are safely working in project. That is our motto. We are working in
Not
health, working for health, environment and safety.
a lot of things to learn from safety team
Yeah,
itself. We have a
yeah,
lot
yeah.
of things to
Our
learn.
team is also for deployed for
Okay.
ensure safety at the working location.
Mm.
More than 15% we have in our team, and Dr. Saab team have also 6 or 7 members for ensure the health wellness. So next question is in case of any incident happen at our site, what is our your responsibility?
Suman sir, actually we are always ready. Our teams are always ready, 24 hour ready. We don't have actually specific time to be ready. We have to be ready for 24 hours because a
Okay.
medical emergency can happen at any time,
Yeah, yeah.
at any place. So our whole teams are ready, including your teams, our medical teams, and so in that case, when an accident come, whenever something happen, which we have to get ready for, then our whole team approaches at once, and in that case, we have a lot of things that has been. We have kept a lot of things ready, medical things, like all those instruments to protect, to ensure that the healthcare, the providing healthcare will be better for them.
Okay. Mostly inside the construction project, we will see that electrocution, that is main factor for worker.
Mm.
When we are constructing a project, mostly in news or scenario that electrocution is happened at site. How to protect from electrocution, and what is the process of control this electrocution? After
Actually,
that, how to medically, if any case happened at site, how to minimize by medically? Kindly say it. Yes.
actually, electrocution at first, the electrocution itself is an accident.
Yeah.
It's one of the major accident that happened in this construction industry.
Yeah.
At first, it's actually Department of Safety itself.
Yeah.
You safety team has to provide all the information regarding how to protect yourself from electrocution, electric shock, all those things.
Yeah.
And then comes us, our medical team. We have to provide treatment. There's an
Yeah.
emergency treatment. So there is a division, like the safety team has to do some work at first, and then second come us. We have to provide treatment. Those who have been electrocuted already.
Okay.
So in that case, in our case, we are ready for that. I've already told you we are ready for that for 24 hours, 24/7. That means we have our probation.
One
like
question
that.
here.
So
One
when-
question here.
okay.
I will. After the education, how to benefit of CPR?
Electrocution, those I will tell you in detail. No, I think it's very difficult to make all of you understand in detail. But
Yeah.
electrocution, it includes a lot of physiology like that.
Yeah.
But in simple term, I would just wanted to explain that electrocution is actually what happened in electrocution. Electric shock is that when a person touches some high voltage things,
Yeah.
then the current flow from his body
Yeah.
to the point
Ground.
of contact. That
Yeah.
means the current flow from the point of contact to the point of ground. Okay.
Yeah.
Then the whole current, our whole body is actually electricity.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
but the high voltage, we cannot bear that amount of voltage.
Yeah.
So how our whole body stop working in that case, especially
Yeah.
our brain, especially our heart,
Whole of the body.
all of the body, especially our brain and heart. It's a very difficult to explain in physiology here,
Yeah.
right here, but in simple term, you try to understand in a basic term, okay?
Yeah.
So in that case, the most important issues
Yeah.
we face in that case is stopping of beating of heart.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So what do you mean by CPR? By definition itself is cardiopulmonary resuscitation. That means you have to revitalize your heart and lungs whenever they stop working. Okay. The electrocution, there is a problem in the heart itself. That means it can stop your heartbeat or it can make it irregular.
Yeah.
We call it arrhythmia in our medical term.
Yeah.
So in that case, the CPI indication comes in front of you.
Yeah.
It's the indication of CPR itself. Whenever your heart stop breathing and whenever your respiration ceased,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah.
to work, cease. I mean,
It means silent.
it means you have to give a CPR. That's why the electrocution CPR is very important because
Yeah.
there is a problem of heart in electrocution.
Yeah. One last question is for you. What is active approach during accident or incident?
Actually, it's a basic. We all medical person use a basic approach in that. That means ABCD. In every case,
What
in
is
every
ABCD?
scenario, I will explain it in brief. Okay.
Okay.
A means airway, B means breathing, C means circulation, and D means disability. Okay?
Okay.
First, we have to ensure that the patient airway is intact. Okay.
Yeah.
Because the main thing that is we have to breathe the air in order to survive. Because without breathing, we die within a minute itself. Our
Yeah.
brain doesn't get sufficient sufficient oxygen, and we die within a minute itself. So we
Yeah.
have to ensure the airway. Okay.
Yeah.
How to ensure the airway? We have to see whether there's a blockage or not, whether he's breathing or not. That means airway, ensure. We have to keep it in position in such a way that he can breathe properly, and we have to just make the head straight, so that the air, wind inside in proper way. Or if the air is not breathing problem, it exists. Even in that case, we have to, even we cannot control in that case, and then there's advanced approach like endotracheal intubation. We intubate patient with all those
Throat
tube,
defibrillator.
not through tube,
Yeah.
where we can give oxygen from the external sources like pump or ventilation like that. And second is airway. After ensuring airway, we have to look for the breathing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Patient is taking air, but whether he's breathing or not, how to look at that in that case? That means we have to look at patient chest.
Yeah.
If possible, if we have some instrument like stethoscope, we can check the breathing by just auscultating the chest with those instruments which we used to wear every
Yeah.
time. And then airway, then breathing, then circulation. Okay.
Yeah.
What means circulation? In case of accident, there's a huge probability, huge chance that he is bleeding.
Yeah.
Okay. You know that bleeding is the most common issues in
Common
accident.
issue.
So if the patient blood loss is more than 1 or 2 liter, he may die immediately in that case with the shock. Okay. So we have to maintain the circulation by giving some fluids from external sources,
External sources.
so that his circulation is maintained.
Mm.
In case of advanced, in case of serious injury, we even have to give a blood transfusion in that case, which is not possible here in this primary care center.
That
But
is provided in advanced.
but I'm trying to tell you that ABC is important.
Yeah.
So we follow these rules, and D means disability, which is tertiary care, which I don't want to mention here.
Yeah.
The ABC is important. We always approach patient with ABCD: airway, maintaining breathing, and
Yeah.
maintaining circulation. That's our main approach, initial approach. Then we will go to the secondary approach, which is a kind of advanced treatment. We also refer the patient to the higher center if we cannot treat them here like that.
Okay, Dr. Saab, thank you for your answering my question.
Thank you for giving me opportunity to talk something
Okay.
regarding health
Meet
issues.
you in next video.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.